Hey guys, Alan here and welcome to LIMMM. So it's a little bit of an unexpected video right now because I wasn't planning to do a video with my computer, the Black Mamba here. You can probably see it kind of in frame. It's hard to get everything in. But today I went to my micro center, local micro center, to see if there are any extra graphics cards that are totally unavailable right now. And I managed to pick up this Nvidia 3060ti graphics card for MSRP, and that is insane. So I'm going to upgrade the Black Mamba to this 3060ti from my previous 1650 Super graphics card right now, and we'll see how much of a better performance it is for gaming, maybe for video editing, and for mining as well. So this is really exciting. When I built my PC in the summer of 2020, I purposefully got a budget graphics card, this 1650 Super over here, because I knew that Nvidia and AMD were releasing their new graphics cards in the fall and winter of 2020. And that has happened, except all of the new graphics cards, although performing really well, they're all out of stock and being sold on eBay for like 1.5 times or twice as much as you would pay for MSRP. So it's really frustrating to try to upgrade a PC when you've planned for this upgrade, but not have the parts able to do the upgrade. And also, choosing the part that I want to upgrade was a bit of a challenge because I'm not doing anything like super fancy with gaming. I want to be able to game comfortably in the limited time that I have. I want to be able to edit videos comfortably with enough VRAM and processing capabilities. And I also want to be able to mine a little bit on the side. And I'm doing some mining through NiceHash right now, making a little bit of money, like about $1-ish a day. And it's nothing spectacular, but it's something and it's kind of a hobby. And I enjoy doing it. I was thinking I'd go pure AMD with this Black Mamba build with an AMD CPU and an AMD GPU, but when Nvidia released their 3060ti kind of upper mid-range graphics cards, that checked pretty much all of the boxes that I wanted for a good graphics card. Pretty good gaming, pretty good specs for video editing, and pretty good mining at a low cost compared to some of the high-end graphics cards that can sell for double the price of what I paid for this 3060ti. So without further ado, let's put in this 3060ti into the Black Mamba. Hold your horses, this is going to be exciting. Okay, we're opening up the Black Mamba. Let's do this. Bam. Put the glass panel off to the side. And we see that the 1650 Super GPU is in here. And wow, this inside of the PC is a little bit dusty. It's not like crazy dusty, but I think I will have to vacuum this out. Okay, we just vacuumed the inside of the PC. It's still not like perfectly clean, but it's decent enough. So how do we do this? Well, let's uninstall the old one right now. So we unplug the power supply cable. Cool. And there should be a latch maybe? I think there's a GPU latch somewhere. Oh, I think I need to unscrew some stuff. Hold on. I'm doing things out of order. Oops. Another screw out. Okay. I should be able to just unlock it. There we go. Unlocked. And out. Wow, look how dusty this thing has been. Let's vacuum this up a little bit later. So I'm actually going to sell this 1650 Super to my old roommate who's building his own PC. And that's super exciting. He needs his PC more for work, for processing lots of data with a really strong CPU, and some light gaming on the side. So this GPU here is perfect for light gaming. It's also perfect because you can't really buy a GPU right now for reasonable costs, unless you get really lucky. So I'm selling this to them for cheap, and since it's hard to get a GPU, it's pretty worthwhile, I think. So we'll put this 1650 Super off to the side, or I can leave it right here. Ugh, it's so dusty. Let's vacuum again. Okay, so now for the unboxing you've probably been waiting for. Let's put some stuff off to the side. We'll unbox this Asus GPU. 3060 Ti. This thing is massive. I thought this would be like a little bit smaller, but I guess my current GPU right here is like super small and super compact. And this Asus GPU is quite a bit larger, although not quite as large as, you know, the super high-end GPUs right now, like the 3080s, the 3090, or the 6800, 6900 by AMD. But still, kind of big compared to that tiny 1650 Super. And we'll put the 1650 Super a little bit in camera. Okay. Well, here goes nothing. Oof. Wow, look at that. Fancy box over here. Asus. In search of incredible. So do it like this. And hopefully we can see it. And there we go. That's 3060 Ti graphics card. Let's take off the front cover over here. Unpacking steps. Okay, I like how... Oh, okay. They give like unpacking directions over here. Okay, so I didn't realize that shooting video on 4K mode on my phone has a time limit. So it sort of timed out after 10 minutes as I was deconstructing and reconstructing the Black Mamba, but you didn't miss anything much, just me struggling to put in a graphics card and unscrewing and rescrewing some stuff. But we took out the 1650 Super. Looks like this. It's super dusty. I guess that's where the Super name comes from, the 1650 Super Dusty, for short. And it's kind of tiny and small. It's a very efficient, compact, small graphics card. And we installed the chunkier 3060 Ti, which still isn't super chunky compared to like the super high-end graphics cards. Those would be like, you know, the 3080, the 6800, 6900, the 3090. All of that would be super chunky compared to what's in here, and it's not that bad. So I've replugged the computer in. I have done everything in my power to, you know, make sure everything went back to normal. And we're gonna try to plug it. We're gonna try to turn it on. I just realized I didn't flip the power supply switch. Let me do that. Okay, power supply switch flipped. Let's give this a shot. Okay, things are rolling. Do I see anything on the screen? Oh, it worked! The screen is turning on. Sorry, I got like irrationally excited. I thought like everything broke for a second. It's so scary when you like build a computer, you're not sure if it's gonna work or not. Okay, we'll put the 1650 Super off to the side over here. And let's log in. Voila! So we have everything seeming to work. And I think this is gonna be a good time to like test out some stuff. You know what I didn't do? No display adapter connected. I think I need to go to Nvidia GeForce Experience and make sure the drivers are set. So, okay, we're downloading the drivers and we'll come back after the drivers have installed for the GPU. I'm really not like doing my research for this. I'm just sort of just like throwing everything in and hoping it works. Yeah, we'll see. Let's pull up, I don't know, Shadow of the Tomb Raider. I've never played this game before. And so we'll see how many frames per second I get. Let's run a benchmark and see how this goes. And I know this isn't like a real benchmark. I'm not capturing the screen over here. I'm just going to say how the benchmark goes for Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Just on stock settings. Well, that's it for this week's episode of LIMMM. I still need to figure out some mining stuff, so I've benchmarked some nice hash stuff, and it looks like I can make about $2 a day with this card, which is pretty decent. I can undervolt it and probably overclock it a little bit and do a little bit better than that. So I'll keep you updated on the mining updates if you guys are interested. And yeah, this is another random video. And we'll try to get something music related next week. It's been busy trying to teach grade final projects for theory, going out randomly to Micro Center and picking up a 3060 Ti graphics card and installing it and doing all that stuff. But hopefully next week, maybe something Schubert related or something audition related, because it's audition season coming soon, so maybe some tips for that. Until next time, yeah, like and subscribe for more videos, and keep it logical, guys. Take care.